Hello and welcome to another UltraTech product training session. Today we are talking about the Ultra Spill King. The Ultra Spill King is a spill containment pallet that can be used for up to 4 55-gallon drums. The unique thing about the Spill King is there are two separate components, both of which can be moved or lifted with a forklift. You can see that on both the red containment portion of the pallet as well as the top handling pallet, they both have openings that can be used with the forklift. Why is that advantageous? Well, you can see here how, unlike our other spill pallets, the Spill King provides the ability to lift the drums separately from the containment area. So one of the options this provides is the ability to have multiple red containment sumps throughout a facility so that you can then move the drums on the gray handling pallet from one containment sump to the next. As far as specifications go, the weight capacity on the Spill King is 6,500 pounds, uniformly distributed load. A containment capacity of 85 gallons will actually exceed the EPA and the SBCC regulations. It is 100% polyethylene construction, so it does have excellent chemical resistance and will not rust or corrode. And both the sump and the pallet have a 4-way forklift entry, so they can be accessed from all 4 sides. The options available for the Spill King: there is a drain available to make cleanup easier. There also, as you can see, there are 2 different types of grading. The one that's been pictured on all the previous slides is the top one with the recessed rings for the 55-gallon drums. But for applications where 55-gallon drums are not being used, or perhaps if there is the possibility of other size containers being used, we do also offer that grading that's pictured on the bottom that does not have the recessed drum rings and is just a flat surface. So you have more options as far as what you could put on top of there. Applications are likely to be similar to our other spill pallets. Typically, they're going to be indoors in manufacturing, warehousing, chemical processing, property management, auto service, or really anywhere where you might find 55-gallon drums or other containers that might leak or spill. What else do you need to know? Well, one of the nice things about the Spill King is that with that recessed drum pallet, it does have the ability to double stack 55-gallon drums. So you could have up to 8 55-gallon drums on a single pallet. It would require that you buy 2 of those drum pallets. So why would you choose the Spill King over one of our other 4-drum spill pallets? More than likely it's going to be because of the convenience and the handling and the ability to move that top pallet separately from the containment sump. It also has a large 85-gallon spill containment capacity, which is the largest or the greatest capacity of any of our 4-drum pallets. So if there are regulations or requirements where a 55-gallon or a 66-gallon capacity is not enough, then the Spill King might be the way to go. I'll put a link to a video down below that helps to explain the regulations and exactly what those containment capacity requirements are, in case you would like to learn more about that. Why wouldn't you choose the Spill King? Well, it is not the most budget-friendly spill pallet that we offer. So if cost is a concern, then it may not be the best solution. It also has a fairly tall profile at 17 inches versus some of our spill pallets, which are, we have them at 12 inches, we have them at just under 9 inches. So if you're looking for something that's low profile, then this may not be the best choice either. And lastly, it does not have a ramp, partially because of that tall profile. We just don't have a ramp that's available for this one. So if you wanted to be able to move drums on and off your spill pallet with a ramp, then probably one of our other spill pallets would be a better choice. Other products to consider if you're looking at the Spill King or spill pallets in general: we do have a nestable model spill pallet that will save a lot of space as far as storage or shipping. We have outdoor spill containment in the form of hardtops. We have an economy model spill pallet if you are looking for a less expensive version. And we have the Spill Pallet Plus model, which has a low profile as well as a high weight capacity. And if plastic's not your thing, we also offer steel spill pallets. Thank you very much for your time. Look for more product training videos on our YouTube channel.